మేడం
Good morning, everyone. This is architect Rakesh Vasu. I am the convener of the showcase Inside X 2024. I am also the honorary treasurer of IIIT HRC. So we have this event started since yesterday. We have just started this program, and it is started on 28th with the student workshop Stapatya also. I would request our chairperson Pallavi to just start the proceedings, and I will just continue with the main points.
Good morning all. IIT Showcase Insider X 2024. This is curated by the biggest showcase. It brings together the design practitioners, trade partners, construction industry professionals and education institutes to connect, collaborate and create. This is the 5th edition which exhibits latest trends in interior design, exterior design across 180 plus categories, 500 plus brands and 150 exhibitors. The convener for the showcase is architect Rakesh Vasu, co-convener architect Naveen Chalsani, all managing committee members, past chairperson as a mentor, IIT members volunteering the showcase along with the working committee, and all architecture and design institutional students are volunteering this showcase. This year's showcase also features Design Street, Kala Utsav, Art and Craft Display, Stapatya Utsav, which is students' workshop we have started today, and creative installations. Hyderabad is one of the rocking chapter among 35 chapter centers pan-India. This is the 3-day event which will start on 28th, 29th and 30th of June at HITEX Hyderabad. It's an honor to have Chief Guest Shri Revanth Reddy Garu, Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana, for inauguration of the showcase. Guest of honor is architect Saroj Wadia, President of IIT. The first day event will start on 28th. 20th evening we will have a fellowship meet, and the keynote speaker is architect Peter Rich from South Africa, architect Siddharth Talwar from Studio Lotus, Delhi. On 29th we have joint NAC meeting, that is executive meeting of IIT, in which all chapter centers from 35 states they are joining for this meeting and for the exhibition. 29th is a gala night, which is the validity function, and 30th is open for exhibition is open for all the public. So this is B2B showcase, volunteered by managing committee of IIT and students. So please join for the showcase. Thank you.
The theme for this exhibition, for the showcase Inside X, is Design Intelligence, and HRC hosts this design showcase event biannually to bring to the Hyderabad fraternity the latest trends through innovative trends, thoughts and innovations in design history, and it's a comprehensive forum covering every vertical, offering every element from smart devices to turnkey solutions. And we would like to be at the forefront of designing the aspirations of the common man on one hand, and helping with design solutions for our government departments in on the other. And as I said, that it is based on the theme is based on the design intelligence. We encourage artisans, craftsmen and weavers all over pan-India, and this time we have an exclusive arts and crafts pavilion by the name Kala Utsav, and we also have a student workshop which is curated with the name of Stapatya Utsav, which has started yesterday, and it will be mentored by senior architects also. Then we have a curator for this Kala Utsav that my colleague Amitaraj will just take it over from there. And overall, we are expecting a footfall of more than 10,000 plus in this time. Last time we had around 10,000 plus. This time we expect to cross it much beyond that. And we request all guests from all over India to please attend this particular showcase and make it a big success. Thank you, and I would like to ask my colleague Architect Naveen Chalasani to take it forward.
2024. This time we had a new entry, like we are released a InchRX app 2024. This app is based upon the entire of exhibitors, then about the data of the committee, and all the events what are happening for the next 10 days. So the students workshop, each and every detail is included into that app. So we requested many of them like to have this app, and it's an easy access about the time, the schedule, and each detail, even the location map, and even the exhibitors details. So even after 2 years or 1 year, they want to see the exhibitors app, they can just open this app and see that one. That is the one new process we started, and we also plan for a pre-registration process. Like they can enter into a batch type, and they can enter for the easy flow. And we have a general register, so everyone can have a pre-register on spot register, and also an InchRX app can be downloaded. So I'd like to give, yeah.
I just wanted to mention, this time we have the highlight of this showcase would be a art installation by one of the world's renowned architect, Peter Rich. He's flying down from Johannesburg, South Africa. So he's going to be there for 2 days for the showcase. So that will be a very highlight of this particular event. So yeah, I will just request Architect Praveen Muni to come forward.
I'm Architect Praveen, Chair-elect for AAAD HRC. So this showcase, I'm Architect Praveen, I'm Chair-elect for AAAD HRC. This showcase, you have arts and crafts display across the exhibition, which is designed and done by students with under senior architects. And we have introduced which the top designers who are collaborating with the local artisans and across India, where they're going to come up and display their products. So we want to get them on board where they can, is a good platform where they can showcase their products and all. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. This is Architect Amita Raj, Joint Honorary Secretary of IIIT. So, every time it's an initiative of IIIT to support art and craft, and every edition we have done something in supporting them. But this time we have come up in a much bigger way. In hall number 2, we have around 3,000 square feet of area dedicated to arts and crafts. And this entire pavilion is called Kala Utsav. Kala Utsav is a celebration of arts and crafts. This is curated by our past chairperson, Ms. Sona Chetwani. And this time we have curated various art and craft forms from pan-India, like we have across India, right from Mumbai, Delhi, Rajasthan, Gujarat, and also we have local artisans which are catering to different art forms and craft forms. This pavilion also is getting inaugurated along with our Chief Minister Revant Reddy Garu. We have architect Purnima Rai coming from Delhi to inaugurate the arts and crafts expo. Scenes how the artisans curate the entire or create a product of art and craft, and we have various documentaries showcasing the same, so that there is a little bit of understanding about the craft. So these artisans and craftsmen, we have around 29 stalls catering to different crafts, right from wood, metal, we have Gondar, we have Pichwai, we have Ikkat and Pochampalli, we have different kinds of arts, and I request everyone to attend the pavilion so that there is a better understanding right from the display. Thank you.
I'm Sandeep Jain, Vice Chairman Trade, representing the trade fraternity in the IIIT family. I'm really very excited to be a part of this show once again. Committee, representing the trade fraternity here. We're really very excited to be a part of this show. I'm part of this show since 2015, and we have been raising the bar every year. And this time also we are doing many exciting things like
Indian Institute of Interior Designers మా అసోసియేషన్లో ముఖ్యంగా ఒక ప్రొఫెషనల్ బాడీ. సో ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి రాష్ట్రంలో ఉన్నటువంటి ఆర్కిటెక్ట్స్ కానీ ఇంటీరియర్ డిజైనర్స్ కానీ వీళ్ళందరి యొక్క అసోసియేషన్ ఈ ఆర్గనైజేషన్. సో ఈ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ ద్వారా మనం ఏం చేస్తాము అంటే ప్రొఫెషనల్ బాడీగా ఉండి ఇండస్ట్రీకి అండ్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్స్ అంటే ఎవరైతే ఈ ఫీల్డ్లో ఈ సెక్టర్లో సాంకేతికంగా వాళ్ళు ట్రైన్ అవుతున్నారో ముఖ్యంగా స్టూడెంట్స్కి మధ్యలో ఒక వార్తగా ఉండి ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ ఉన్నటువంటి ఇండస్ట్రీ. సో ఈరోజు చూసినట్టయితే రియల్ ఎస్టేట్ ఆర్ గృహాలంకరణ అనేది చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ వ్యవస్థగా ఒక పెద్ద ఇండస్ట్రీగా అవతరించింది. సో కోసం ఖర్చు పెడతారు. ఇండియన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటీరియర్ డిజైనర్స్ ఈ ఆర్గనైజేషన్ అండ్ అసోసియేషన్ దీనికోసం కృషి చేస్తుంది. ఈ ఆస్పెక్ట్స్లో మేము ఎవ్రీ 2 years ఒక బాడీ ఎలెక్ట్ అవుతుంది అండ్ ఈ బాడీ ద్వారా వేరియస్ ఆస్పెక్ట్స్ అంటే ఇందులో ఉన్నటువంటి నిపుణులు ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా ఉన్నటువంటి నిపుణుల్ని కూడా మనం హైదరాబాద్ పిలిపించి వారితో మన యంగ్ జనరేషన్కి ఇక్కడున్న నిపుణులు. సో కాబట్టి దాని ద్వారా మనం మార్కెట్ క్రియేట్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. సో అది మన రాష్ట్రంలోనే కాదు, అనేక రాష్ట్రాలు ఉన్నటువంటి ఇండియాలో ఉన్నటువంటి అనేక రాష్ట్రాల నుంచి కూడా మా ఆర్గనైజేషన్ నుంచి నిపుణులు వస్తారు, వాళ్ళు కూడా చూస్తారు. దీనివల్ల వాళ్ళకి కూడా ఒక నేషనల్ లెవెల్లో ఒక మార్కెట్ క్రియేట్ అవుతూ ఉంటుంది. అలానే స్టూడెంట్స్కి కానీ ప్రాక్టీసింగ్ ప్రొఫెషనల్స్ కానీ ఎలాంటి ప్రొడక్ట్స్ ఒక గొప్ప స్టాండర్డ్స్తో ఉన్నాయి, ఆధునికమైనటువంటి టెక్నాలజీస్తో ఉన్నాయి, ఇవన్నీ కూడా అక్కడ ఎగ్జిబిట్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. దీని ద్వారా ప్రజలు దొరుకుతుంది. సో దీని ముఖ్య ఉద్దేశం ఇది. సో అండ్ దీంతో పాటుగా కళాకారులకి వేరియస్ ఆర్ట్స్ అంటే పెయింటర్స్, స్కల్ప్చర్స్, సో ఇలా ఫైన్ ఆర్ట్స్లో ఉన్నటువంటి ఫోటోగ్రఫీ, అప్లైడ్ ఆర్ట్స్, మోడర్న్ టెక్నాలజీస్, సో వీవర్స్, సో మన సాంకేతికమైన కళలతో పాటు మన సాంస్కృతిక కళలు కూడా అంటే చేస్తున్నాము. సో రైట్ ఫ్రమ్ గ్రాస్ రూట్ లెవెల్ నుంచి వరల్డ్ క్లాస్ ప్రొఫెషనల్స్ని ఇక్కడికి పిలవడం జరుగుతుంది. దీని ద్వారా మన తెలంగాణ అండ్ ఆంధ్ర.
We are conducting the biggest showcase, Insider X Showcase 2024. This is happening on 28th, 29th and 30th of June at Hitex. This is one of the biggest showcase in which we are going to have 3 halls in which along with the normal exhibition, the products from interior design industry, exterior industry, we are conducting very unique features, design street, Stapatya Utsav and art and craft and design installations. So these things are happening along with the volunteering by Indian Institute of Interior Designers, Managing Committee, Working Committee, past years as a mentor, and all architecture and interior design college students as a volunteers. So I request everyone to join for this showcase and explore the best design, latest trend in the industry. Yeah, is our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Revanth Reddy Garu, and guest of honor is President Architect Sarosh Wadia. Okay. Yeah, thank you.